Welcome to Franchise Republic. In this video, we are going to feature LEMBEST LECHON MANOK, LIEMPO sisig franchise business ideas. LEMBEST Lechon is a unique and new sensational lechon manok, liempo, and sisig business concept started on November 28, 2009 in Morning Breeze Subdivision, Caloocan City. From the first store in Caloocan City, entrepreneurs started to see the potential of this brand that resulted the company to expand into franchising. As they continue to grow and wants to share to its growing number of customers the savor of LEMBEST Lechon, the company has outlets at Valenzuela, Quezon City, and Caloocan City. As it expands its network in putting more outlets, the knack of opportunity opens as LEMBEST Lechon ventures into franchising. Currently, they have 200 plus established LEMBEST outlets. Their mission: LEMBEST Lechon Manok and Liempo is committed in giving and maintaining customer satisfaction by providing quality products. The company aims as well to undertake for new development and product innovation to respond customers' needs and wants. Their vision: to become the prominent lechonan business that provides quality products such as lechon manok, liempo, and its unique chicken sisig and liempo sisig that will be available throughout the country. LEMBEST products. LEMBEST Lechon offers delicious grilled chicken, liempo sisig, and chicken sisig at affordable prices. The company introduces variety of choices to its local customers. Thus, chicken combo and liempo combo are offered. LEMBEST is a new twist to the Filipino favorite, which is mouth-watering and flavorful chicken and liempo sisig. Once you taste it, you'll crave and ask for more because ibang-iba pa rin ang sarap LEMBEST. Why LEMBEST product? Number 1, affordability. Number 2, product variety. Number 3, best tasting product. Number 4, wide target market. Why franchise with LEMBEST? Number 1, strong brand and market value. Number 2, proven system. Number 3, easy to manage. Number 4, superior product quality. Number 5, guaranteed return of investment. Number 6, reliable franchise support system. Number 7, no hidden charges. Number 8, no royalty fee. Number 9, no marketing fee. Number 10, no quotas. Number 11, free location site assessment with market study. And number 12, free notarized contract. For the franchise package, franchise fee is only 250,000 pesos for 4 years and renewable for another 4 years for only 125,000 pesos. The estimated investment capital is from 650 to 700,000 pesos depending on which the franchisee will avail. For the franchise inclusions, number 1, use of trademarks, intellectual properties. Number 2, operation manual. Number 3, site approval. Number 4, training for franchisee and staff. Number 5, procurement program. Number 6, store support openings assistance. Number 7, food panda application assistance. Number 8, social media marketing assistance. Number 9, marketing study, research and development. And number 10, supply delivery within Metro Manila. For the franchise application process, contact them via chat, text, call, or visit them in their offices. Number 2, they will present their system and franchise procedure. Number 3, your proposed location will be visited and thoroughly checked. Number 4, presentation of franchise agreement. Number 5, they will set a meeting with the contractor. Number 6. Outlet setup and staff training will commence. Number 7. Provide pre-opening and marketing assistance. Number 8. Your store grand opening. For the franchising benefits, there is a high success rate due to its business model rather than starting from scratch. Number 2. LEMBEST LECHON MANOK is a recognized brand or trademark that can guarantee you with success. Number 3. Financing that may come from various sectors may be availed easily when putting up a good reputation franchise like LEMBEST LECHON MANOK. Number 4. A franchisee may also secure huge profit when success formulas are met, such as a low-cost supplies, proper placement, and good marketing techniques. For the LEMBEST contact details, please contact LEMBEST Food Corporation for Manila Valenzuela office. The address is number 2069 Paseo de Carlos Candido Street, Mapulang Lupa, Valenzuela City. For the Batangas office, the address is number 195 Barangay Santo Niño, Ibaan, Batangas. You may contact them at 63998-566-8461 and 63960-251-1133 for the Viber and WhatsApp ready. You may send them an email at dan.garnatse@lembestlechon.com. You may also visit their Facebook page at LEMBEST LECHON Official. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. Are the franchisee required to purchase only the equipment and supplies from the licensor? Answer: as a franchisee, you are required to purchase equipment and supplies directly from the licensor. The licensor assures supply assurance to ensure continuous operation of all licenses. Delivery of supplies are also free of charge as long as delivery is within the schedule of delivery. Question number 2. After paying the franchise package, how many days will the franchise store be operational? Answer: it depends with the scenario, like the kind of renovation made on the store. Market study. Based on the current franchisee experience, it usually takes 2 to 3 weeks before the store opens. Question number 3. How long will it take to recover the cost of franchise investment? Answer: return on investments depends on various factors such as sales and location. They can't guarantee how long will it take for ROI. Some of their branches took 8 months or more because of the volume of customers coming in and out. This will be further discussed during the franchise meeting, who they can book a call or via Zoom meeting. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of LEMBEST Lechon Manok Liempo Sisig franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.